Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can send a package on DHL. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.dhl.com, and this will take you to the official site. And I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. And on this interface, you need to scroll down and you'll be able to see the information regarding the package or the steps what you need to do is in order to send a package. So as you can see, the first thing is you need to prepare and register your package, and after that you need to print and label it. After you're done labeling it, you need to leave and send. Now, in order to send a package, you need to scroll down. You'll be able to find and link send packages now right in between. You need to click on this. After that, you'll be taken to the page where you need to create and print your label. So as already mentioned that you need to create a label, and in just 3 steps your label will be printed. Now you need to securely pack your shipment. Use proper packaging is required to ensure your shipment is free of damage. And then you also need to paste in the affix label to the box, and after that you need to take the shipment to the service point. There you'll be asked to enter in all of the information regarding the package. After that, you've successfully sent the package on DHL. So in this way you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.